project boxes get put away first, and your tabletops get cleaned off. So this is going to start happening as soon as the alarm goes off. Everyone's going to get their project boxes put away and the tabletops cleared off. Get your stool pushed in, and then you're going to have a class job that you need to complete. We're going to go over those right now. And the last rule while we're here is please don't line up in the front of the room. If there's not enough to do, just hang out at your desk. So, the 4 class jobs. Clean tables is number 1. So if you're cleaning a table off, you need to clear everything off of that table, including the little bits of everything. Make sure all the tools are clipped. This is in the wrong table, so you're gonna have to put this in the right spot. Should be 4 cutters and 2 scissors. You need to look underneath the table. This is your responsibility now to deal with anything that got left down here. We need to get everything picked up under the table. Once the table is cleared off, take the spray bottle, spray the table, grab the cleaning pad, and wipe this whole table. It should not be soaking wet. Just to review, clear the surface off, get the tools right, check underneath, and then wipe and spray down. The side and back areas all have their own jobs too. When the back and side areas are your job, the side tables need some extra attention. The things that are here need to get picked up and dealt with, but the brushes live right here on the end. Start to recognize when there is a mess left behind. We should be walking in on a clean classroom every single hour so that no one has to clean it all up after you later. And like I said, these brushes need to be stowed along the side. Here are the back tables. These have some things that need to get dealt with. It's your job to help out. The next job is called Brush Master. Double check that this sink is cleaned out, everything's clear in it. So there's lots of brushes there. If you find a brush needs to be dealt with, put it in the brush drying rack. There are also these brushes that are cabled to these tables and scrapers, as well as a brush on each of these tables, because these vices get very full of crud. So brushes are on all these back tables, all these side tables, but first make sure that the back sink has no wet paintbrushes in it from your class. And the 4th job is the dust mopper. What you need to know about dust mops is that you can't use them like a normal broom. You just push them. You don't pick them off the floor. And you're going to be going to some extra areas of the room. So in this case, I'll go to these 2 windows. Keeping the whole mess in front. I'm not trying to use it like a broom. Take it to the back. You may need to pick any large pieces of cardboard out of the way. And there's also a broom here to finish it off. Grab everything that got into the dustpan and move it to a trash can. Each table has a little extra area. First table, we're going to be doing this kind of corner of the room. Just try to dust mop, get everything off the floor. This other front table is going to do the other front half of the room. If you're this table, go all the way to the wall. If you're this table or that table, you need to start going to the back of the room. We're on the paint table. That's the back 2 tables. These back 2 tables are the exact same deal. Head back to the back windows, to the back door, go around these 4 work tables that we have, and bring everything to right here. If we all do our jobs and do them well, we're walking into a perfectly clean classroom every day, and it helps so much to have your classmates picking up and not seeing the mess grow and grow around the room. Thanks for helping out.